I talk to people, oh, I'm growing on TikTok. It's really fun. And they go, were you making any money? And I go, what I'm finding is that as I make myself more visible, I open the door, one way, but the business comes in through the window, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
So you have
a
that
hundred
experience as well?
percent. That's absolutely been our experience. In the beginning, when I was not so keen on TikTok, that was my thought process. TikTok is never going to make me money. There's no way. The way that we behave on TikTok is about being entertained, and we don't ever want to click off the platform. The actual physical behavior is scrolling, not necessarily tapping to tap to tap to go somewhere else to click off. So I couldn't understand how it would ever amount to much of anything. Since having this massive growth that we've had, it has absolutely, yeah, brought the business through the window. That's a great analogy. So our email list has grown. Last I checked, it was up 40%. But more
In what
than
period?
that,
40% in what period of time?
in the last 2 or 3 weeks, I don't remember exactly what
In
that,
2 or 3
two or
weeks.
three weeks.
Wow.